Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to work the Elizabeth stitch. To work an Elizabeth stitch, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, go back into that same stitch, yarn over, pull back through. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 4 loops, and chain 1. And now you'll skip the next stitch and work an Elizabeth stitch in the very next stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go into the same stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops, and chain 1. And that's how you work an Elizabeth stitch. And now let me explain a little bit about the Elizabeth stitch. Let me work another stitch and show you which one is the Elizabeth stitch and which one is the chain 1. To work an Elizabeth stitch, you're going to go into your next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, go into your stitch again, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. That right there creates your Elizabeth stitch. And now you're going to chain 1, and that's the second stitch to the Elizabeth stitch. Your first stitch is right here, made by the Elizabeth stitch. The second one is made by the chain 1. I hope this was helpful for you and that you learned a new stitch. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching.